Today, I'd like to share a copycat green dipping sauce or salsa recipe for chips. Here I have avocado, cilantro, calamansi. Use lemon if not available. Small piece of jalapiño, tomatillo, cloves of garlic, and sour cream. Prepare and chop up all the ingredients and the tools such as hand or regular blender we need. Next, measure out a 3/4 cup of sour cream. I use light for less calories and sodium. Then put it inside the jar or blender. Then add in calamansi or lemon juice. Throw in the fresh garlic. Add in tomatillo gradually. Don't want to choke up your blender and start blending away. Once tomatillo pieces has been pureed, add in fresh cilantro. Make sure it's washed properly because we never know what we're gonna get if we don't wash every produce we buy from store. Once again, gradually add avocado pieces and blend until creamy and smooth. And lastly, add in jalapeno. I only use a quarter because I'm not a big fan of spicy food. You can add more if you like it spicier. And we are done blending, folks. Would you look at that creamy, green, thick, and very apple greenish color, looking so delicious. Now let's get tasting, folks. Pour out some into a small bowl and serve with your favorite chips. Mine is blue chips because you can buy these no salt added. Thank you for watching, folks. I promise that this salsa is better than any restaurant dipping sauce. Better than Gringo's restaurant and El Tiempo. Bye! See you later!